Greetings to everyone watching this presentation. My name is Arami Florentin and I'm going to talk about the Mondale Falls, the natural attraction of the Paraguayan side of the triple border. The official name is Mondale Falls. The falls of the Mondale River are located in the city of Presidente Franco, in Paraguay, next to Foz do Iguaçu, Brazil, and are part of the tourist attractions and preservation area of the trinational region known as Triple Border, where two rivers, Iguaçu and Paraná, and three countries, Argentina, Brazil, and Paraguay, meet. The Mondale Falls are located on its left bank in a 9-hectare municipal park and are protected on the right bank by the 450-hectare Maharishi Private Nature Reserve. The waters that pass through the waterfall with an average fall rate of 100 cubic meters per second drop without warning from height of 40 meters, half the height of the Iguazu Falls jumps in the Iguazu National Parks. The river Mondavi is the name of the river where the waterfalls are located. In the word Mondavi has nothing to do with Monday in English. Monda means thief and means water in Guarani. Paraguay's official language, along with Spanish Mondavi, brings to mind the idea of water that disappears quickly. This is what happens to someone who has unwittingly sailed the river, believing it will flow calmly to its mouth, and suddenly the water disappears, leaving the boat without ground. The verse. After the falls of Mondale River continues its journey for another 6 kilometers to complete its 170-kilometer trip between the springs in the Kawasu Range and the mighty Paraná River, one of the 7 largest rivers in the world. The Mondale Falls is the Paraguayan contribution to the large waterfalls in the triple border region. The average Mondale River flow rate in the waterfalls is around 100 cubic meters per second. In conclusion, the tourist attractions are quite important for the country, mainly for the economic context, since it attracts the attention of possible tourists by making known the beauty and attractiveness of our country. In my opinion, Saltos del Mondadil, although it is not well known worldwide, when it is found and visited by compatriots and foreign visitors, it is quite appreciated due to its extraordinary beauty and unique landscape. Tourism allows the natural resources to be appreciated more, and highlighting that Paraguay has several resources and attractive landscapes in all the cities of the country. Thank you for your attention.